Not all ghosts have to be scary. Some are just here to spread a little Halloween cheer. This season, it's all about cute, cozy, and playful ghost decor that brings smiles instead of screams. With a touch of imagination and a hint of whimsy, you can turn your space into a charming haunt that's perfect for every age. Today, we'll break it down into 3 fun steps: creating the ghostly base, styling with cute details, and setting the perfect Halloween mood. Whether you're decorating a small nook or an entire room, these ideas will fill your space with warmth, charm, and just a little bit of Halloween magic. Start by building your base, the foundation for your friendly ghost look. Choose soft shapes, light tones, and gentle textures that make your decor feel inviting and fun. The goal is to capture that playful Halloween spirit without going over the top. Think about balance, where your ghosts will appear and how they'll interact with the rest of your decor. This first step sets the stage for everything that follows. Keep it simple, keep it cozy, and let the magic slowly unfold. You're not just decorating, you're creating a space that feels alive with cheerful Halloween energy. What kind of ghost do you love most? Cute and cuddly or funny and playful? Let me know your favorite Halloween style in the comments. This is where your ghosts truly come to life. Add character through small details, friendly faces, light patterns, and soft touches that make each one unique. Play with movement, texture, and light to give your decor a magical floating feel. Mix soft glows and gentle shadows to make everything feel warm and welcoming. It's about creating an atmosphere that makes people smile as soon as they walk in. Don't be afraid to get creative. Ribbons, mini lanterns, or even tiny props can make your ghost look extra special. Each little detail adds personality, and that's what transforms your setup from simple to spectacular. The final step is all about mood. Your ghost should feel like part of the story. Charming companions that add a playful twist to your Halloween atmosphere. Use soft lighting and simple arrangements to make your display stand out without losing its cozy charm. soft glow here, a flicker of candlelight there, and suddenly your room feels like a friendly Halloween dream. Step back and admire your work. It's spooky, sweet, and full of personality. The perfect balance between Halloween fun and heartwarming charm. If these cute ghost Halloween decor ideas made you smile, don't forget to like this video and share it with friends who love the sweet side of spooky season. And there you have it, your adorable Halloween haunt. With just a few creative touches, you've turned everyday spaces into a cheerful, ghostly wonderland. It's not about being scary, it's about creating joy, sharing laughs, and celebrating Halloween in the sweetest way possible. For more adorable Halloween decorating ideas, creative DIYs, and cozy seasonal inspiration, make sure to subscribe and join us for more festive fun. So this Halloween, embrace the charm, have fun decorating, and let your friendly ghosts take center stage. Happy haunting and even happier decorating.